we need to have a day where it doesn't feel like we're having an emergency tracheotomy with a ballpoint pen. I mean, today was still one more session where we saw that big pen coming right at us. A day where the president was just crushing the market with some postings that were extremely hostile to China. I mean, at one point, the S&P was down 1.2%. Then the president had a goodbye press conference for Elon Musk where he said, he'll speak to President Xi soon. And the next thing you know, we erased the vast bulk of those losses, with the Dow finishing up 54 points, S&P dipping 0.01%, and the Nasdaq declining 0.32%. The S&P 500 ended with its best May since 1990. An incredible statistic, made even more amazing, given that the president in the Elon send-off actually ran some positive coverage of the economy by CNBC's own Squawk Box. Miracles all over the place, and no emergency tracheotomy in sight. Yet it still seems like a monumental time. Sometimes you have to just take a breath and ask why things seem so momentous. Notice I said seem, because there's nothing on next week's game plan that should have us all that worried. Yet here I am at this wall, and I feel like I'm staring down the barrel of a gun, the gun being Friday's non-farm payroll report. That's because we have a hole developing. We have heard from retailer after retailer in the last few weeks, and we can tell that the lid is about to be blown off of pricing. There's no doubt prices are headed higher for the month of June in all sorts of goods. So let's think about what can happen here. If we get a strong employment number Friday, then there's no way the Fed's cutting short-term rates, and longer-term rates are going to go higher, too. If we get a weak employment number, then the Fed still probably won't cut rates because they know the tariffs are inflationary. You know, Jamie Dimon said stuff like this today, the CEO of J.P. Morgan, to which I say, what was the president thinking when he decided to raise tariffs on the entire world all at once? Did he believe that energy would come down so much it would make everything just fine and dandy? Does he know something about, say, that OPEC Plus meeting this weekend that could send oil plummeting to $50 from the 60s? I hope so. Did he think that retailers would just say, you know what, our lot in life is to make less money now that we have a new president?
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.